Hello everyone. In this video, let's see how to pass configuration data to the service worker in JavaScript. So let's run the server to serve website on localhost. This is demo site which I have created for tutorial purpose, which has title, two input fields, base URL and authorization token, and register button at the bottom to register a service worker. So first of all, let's have a quick overview of HTML. I have assigned ID to the base URL and authorization input fields to get values. Now let's enter some dummy data and click on register button. As you can see, the data is captured and displaying it on console. And registering a service worker as well. Let's open service worker file by going application tab, select service worker menu and click on service underscore worker.js to view source code. This is the line already displayed on console. That means service worker have been registered to this site. Now time to look at JavaScript code. I have attached event listener to window load event and calling load method. Added click listener to the register button to register service worker. Calling get config data user defined method to get input fields data to print on console. Register SW method contains common code to register service worker. That first check whether browser supports service worker in navigator, and calling register method of service worker property and so on. Now let's add a code to pass data to service worker file in script.js file. First pass config data object to the service SW method as an argument. Add config data parameter inside the service SW method. Now append config query parameter to the register method of service worker and append config data object to the query parameter. Hold on, we cannot pass object directly to the service worker. We need to convert it to the JSON string first using json.stringify method. Now fetch this query parameter in service worker file by creating a new instance of URL class and pass location property as a parameter and call search params.get method to get config query parameter. But query parameter contains JSON string, so we need to convert it to the object again. Again pass all this code inside json.pass method, and at last let's display config data variable on the console, but this time from the service worker file itself. Let's see how it goes, but before, clear the site data and reload the page. Again enter some dummy data. Here we go. the config data that is passed to the service worker is displayed on the console. From the service worker, as you can see, the JSON string of data is attached to the service worker file name. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Goodbye.